Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video I'm just going to give you a quick overview of a very cheap Karambit that I somehow ended up acquiring. So what happened, I thought this actually had a white handle. Just from the picture online it looked white. It's actually silver. Alright, so this is a silver and gold dragon Karambit. But yeah, if you know me, you know I kind of have a little fetish for white handled knives. And I didn't have a white handled Karambit, and this was so cheap I decided to get it, but I find out it's silver. Okay, well, now that I have it in hand, I might as well give you an overview of it anyway. Alright, you see the pocket clip? They didn't say what the steel was, just some cheap stainless steel. Does it deploy well? Yes, very well actually. Does it lock up? Yeah. Alright, so, do I feel that this was worth like the $13? Yeah, I mean, yes. This comes in a whole bunch of different colors, so if they don't have this color, I'll just include a link to whatever I can find. Alright, so Karambit traditionally held in a reverse grip. Often the ring is going to be around there, just for maximum maneuverability, but not always. And you can use a Karambit tip up if you're in a conflict and it just becomes advantageous to do so, right? So that's this. Let's compare it to, let's say you want to spend a lot of money. Let's compare it to some more expensive Karambits. Now YouTube, if you enjoy seeing videos like this featuring all sorts of cool blades, help me out in the comment section with some engagement. Leave a positive comment if you have time. I really appreciate it. This is a Fox Knives Karambit, made in Italy, designed by Richard Deraspina, and these will run you about $155 right now or more depending on the model. They have a lot of different colors. Yeah, so there it is in comparison to a way more expensive Karambit. And this is an Emerson Super Karambit that I've had for many years. The Super series is their larger ones, right? So, and we have, it's a chisel ground blade. Now I don't remember how much this was exactly, but the Super series, they were over $200 back in the day. Alright, so if you're looking to spend a lot of money on Karambits, on folding Karambits, you could get these. If you just want like a fun budget Karambit, just kind of a cool looking thing, you can get this for $13. Now, they do sell these on Amazon, but Amazon refused to ship it to me for, they're getting a little crazy with that. So I just acquired it on a different website. Right, but I mean, assisted opening is perfectly legal where I live. In fact, autos are perfectly legal, but anyway. Yeah, you need a cheap Karambit. Does it lock up securely? Yes. Is it particularly sharp? I mean, it's not like super sharp, but it's going to cut with the tip. I mean, still extremely deadly in the right hands. Obviously, get some training. Personally, I do De Leon family FMA. That's Filipino martial arts. Now, I want to make clear, just because something is cheap doesn't mean it can't also be deadly. You see that hooking blade. A cheap hooking blade like that will rip out a throat just as well as an expensive one. Alright, but I thought you'd enjoy seeing this just because of the low price. It does look pretty cool, and it's actually functional. It is actually functional. I mean, wouldn't want to get slashed up with that. Definitely not. It's got the lightning holes there, or are those just for style? Oh no. Alright, it's got jimping here. You want to precisely control that tip. You want to practice extensions, do some flipping. You can do so. Okay, my friends, so I hope you enjoyed this quick and dirty overview of a cheap but somewhat snazzy looking folding Karambit. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.